Let me ask you something. Is your business becoming more expensive to grow every single month? Google ads cost more than ever. Facebook ads are getting less predictable. AI tools, ChatGPT and Google Airview are answering the question without spending people to your website. And if you are paying an SEO agency, chances are you getting another monthly report full of ranking, impression and traffic, but your revenue still flat. If that sounds familiar, this might be the most important video you watch this year. People don't have an SEO problems, they have a customer acquisition problem. Most of businesses today rely on paid ads that become more expensive every year. Referrals they can't control. Agencies that publish 2 blog posts every month and call it SEO. Then they wonder why nothing changed. The truth, traffic doesn't pay your bill, customer do, revenue does. Hi, my name is Khanzada. For the first 4 years, I've been helping businesses build predictable revenue using my holistic SEO system. Not by chasing algorithm, not by buying backlinks, not by publishing random blog posts, but by building one complete search system. The same framework has helped clients generate $10,000 every month from organic search. Here, what most agencies won't tell you, SEO hasn't died, it has evolved. Google no longer rewards websites simply because they publish more content. AI doesn't. Today, Google rewards authority, entities, trust, user experience, buyer intent, and businesses that understand this are taking customers from everyone else. Instead of showing you a fancy graph, let me show you the real client dashboard. As you can see, I have an aggressive portfolio of websites of all the major industries. These aren't the screenshot from our reporting software. These are the client own accounts. So why do these businesses keep winning? Because we don't do SEO the traditional way. We build a 4-pillar growth system. Every successful website has 4 things working together. First, technical foundation. Second, topical authority. Third, buyer intent. And the fourth, conversion architect. Miss just one, the whole system leaks money. Imagine instead of depending on ads, customer find you every day. Your competitor disappear from page 1. AI start mentioning your business. Google trust your website. Your phone rings consistently. And every month your organic traffic become another predictable revenue source. That exactly what we build. We don't sell blog posts. We don't sell backlinks. We don't sell SEO packages. We build customer acquisition system. So what you are waiting for? You just book a completely free Google Meet 101 where I work directly with you to build and execute the entire SEO system from strategy to implementation. If you are serious about growth, I will show you exactly where you're losing opportunities and what required to fix. Ping us with your website, URL, and your pain point. I will send over all the details with you.